aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now.
So good day everyone, nandito ulit tayo ngayon sa Barangay Mainit in near Anilao, no, Batangas, to feature this beachfront property for sale. So anyway, now this property with a total land area of 3,114 square meters and with a total frontage of about mga 20 meters, no, pa straight yung line. So at least this property meron kang connect, no, dito from the barangay road then down dito sa beach line. So this property is titled, no, selling for 27 million pesos. So if you are interested, no, to check out and buy or invest this property, so you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. So meron pa tayong reading agents, no, para sa inyo pong pag-ocular ng property. So if you are interested, no, to check out and buy this estate, so you can reach us on the number flashing on the screen. So my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Maraming salamat po, dagang salamat. Gracias amigo all over the globe. Thank you very much and God bless everybody.